Hi, in this video, I will discuss one more question from the paper 1 year 2024. Most of my students, they are making mistake on this. So the question is, Sophie drives a distance of 513 kilometers on a motorway in France. She pays 0.18 euros for every 10 kilometers she drives. So work out an estimate for the total amount that Sophie pays. So this is the topic of estimation. So in estimations, the first step would be, before working out the questions, we need to round each and every value to one significant figure. So when we round 513 to one significant figure, so it will become 500. And if you round 0.81 to one significant figure, it will be 0.8. Now you can see she pays 0.81 euros for every 10 kilometers she drives. So if you divide 500 by 10, you'll get 50. That means she needs to pay 0.8 50 times, because she's paying 0.8 every 10 kilometers she drives. So if you divide 500 by 10, that means 50 times she needs to pay 0.8. So if you multiply 0.8 with 50, you will get your answer, which is 40. So the answer is 40 euros she needs to pay if she drives 500 kilometers approximately. So the next part is your answer to the part A an underestimate or the overestimate? So we need to look on the question again. Since you can see, you rounded down the distance and we rounded down the cost as well. Since we rounded down both the values, so that would that means it should be the underestimate. So we need to write it is an underestimate because I rounded down the cost and the distance. Thank you.